Level 3, present simple, present continuous, plus activities. So you need pictures of a boy and a girl, a whiteboard, a marker, or an eraser. First page. This is the lesson objective. Student to make sentences with verbs and pronouns, he or she, present simple tense. First step, you model he, she, and then you show your flashcards for he and she, and then CCQ, just shrug your shoulders. Second, model, he reads books every day. Let the student repeat. He doesn't read books every day. Let the student repeat. CCQ, student alone for she reads and she doesn't read. Okay, let's try. Look, circle, show a flashcard. He, he, look, circle she, show a flashcard. She, she, CCQ. Hmm, he, hmm, she. Well done. Second is you model he reads books and he doesn't read books every day. So when you model, you just simply read a sentence and let the student repeat after you. Look, draw a line, speak. He reads books every day. He reads books every day. Well done. Look, draw a line and read. He doesn't read books every day. He doesn't read books every day. Nice job. So that is how you model. You use the pronoun he for reads and doesn't read. As for the CCQ, you just have to let the student read alone for reads and doesn't read. Look, draw a line. She reads every day. Look, draw a line or underline. She doesn't read books every day. Excellent. So yeah, that's it. Next, number or page 2. Let's go to the next page. Read the model first. So you read the model sentences. Student to make 2 sentences for each person. As in the model. So present simple, positive, negative, and third person. Okay, first step, ask the student to read. No. You have to read a question rather. So here you do not necessarily need to underline the whole question, but instead you can just draw a line here or underline the word what, or draw a check mark, or draw an arrow. Look, what does and doesn't he or she do at the weekend? So you have to smile. Again, what does and doesn't he or she do Act the weekend. Second step, you introduce Sam and then read the model sentences below and get the student repeat. Let's try it. Look, this is Sam. This is Sam. Wow. Who is this? This is Sam. Well done. Yana, look. Sam plays football. Sam plays football. Look, Sam doesn't watch TV. Sam doesn't watch TV. Well done, Winnie. Well done, Yana. And third is you introduce Tom and use elicitation. So this is how you elicit, or this is how you use elicitation. Look, this is how you use the elicitation techniques. Look, who is this? Tom. This is Tom. Remember, teachers always ask the student to speak in a full sentence. So you can use a sentence starter. This is Tom. Okay. So you can say, or you can do the elicitation. Tom. Hmm. Tom read 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tom reads. Read books. Read. Read or reads. Read. Tom reads books. Nice job. Look, Tom ride bike. Tom ride. Look. Then you encircle the X mark here and the word doesn't below to emphasize that the sentence is negative. Look, Tom ride. Tom doesn't ride bike. Yana, Tom doesn't. Tom doesn't ride a bike. A bike. Tom doesn't ride a bike. Well done, Yana. Give me 5. Ta-da! Look. Who is this? Chloe. So remember, teachers always ask the student to speak in a full sentence. This is Chloe. Look, Chloe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chloe E. 1, 2, Chloe eats. Chloe eats ice cream. Great job. Look, Chloe. Mm-mm, Chloe doesn't meet friend. Meet friend. Look, one, two. How many friends? Four friends. Wow. Meet with friends. With friends. Chloe. Chloe doesn't meet with friends. Wow. Amazing. Give me five. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go to level 4. So, teacher, student to guess which holidays they are. This is in preparation for the next slide. The present or gift can be for any celebration for which they receive gifts. So, this picture can be for Christmas or birthday. Fireworks are generally associated with New Year's Eve. This one. So this celebration is New Year's Eve. This is birthday or Christmas. This is Halloween. This is April Fool's Day and birthday. So you just have to read the question. Yana, look. Do you know these holidays and celebrations? Hmm. So after reading the question, you have to wait for a few seconds because if the student is a fast learner, the student will answer right away. Like this. Yana, do you know these holidays and celebrations? Hmm. Oh, yes, teacher. The gift that could be Christmas. Oh, the boys blowing out candles, so that could be a birthday celebration, fireworks, New Year's Eve, and blah 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 blah. So that's a fast learner student. But a slow learner can be like this. Look, Yana, do you know these holidays and celebrations? Hmm, I don't know, teacher. So yeah, that's it. And after that, you can ask the student, look, what holiday is it? Hmm. So if the student is unable to answer, then you use elicitation. For how do you elicit the holiday? You can ask, what's in the picture? What do you see? You can give hints, date, or any activity that you do. So you can say, hmm, we usually have a party and blow out candles. And we also have a birthday cake. And then you can also give two choices. Hmm, is it April Fool's Day or birthday? So that is how you elicit the holiday. And once you have elicited the answer, then you can ask a free talk question. Free talk questions. For slow learners, you can ask only one free talk question. And for average learners, you can ask two questions. For fast learners, you can ask three free talk questions. After after this picture, then you can jump into the next picture. What holiday is it? Hmm. If the student is able to answer, then you can automatically ask free talk questions. But if the student is unable to answer the holiday, then you can use elicitation and then free talk questions. And here you can use your questions from your pre-training task, part 2. Next, okay, look, introduce holiday activities, read them along with the student. So you just simply read and let the student repeat. First step, model. When you model again, you just have to read the words or the sentence or the vocabulary and then let the student repeat. Look, dress up and go trick or treating. Dress up and go trick or treating. Tell jokes. Tell jokes. Watch fireworks. Watch fireworks. Blow out candles. Blow out candles. Carve pumpkins. Carve pumpkins. So yeah, that's it. Very simple. CCQ, just ask one relevant question for each vocabulary. You can use your questions from your pre-training task, part 3. Look, look at a girl. What is she wearing? Which costume? Remember, always ask the student to speak in a full sentence. So you can use a sentence starter. She is. She is wearing the witch costume. Well done. Look, what are they doing? Hmm. Tell jokes. Tell or telling? Telling jokes. They are. They are telling jokes. Then you can also ask another question, only one question for fireworks, blow out candles, and carve pumpkins. That's it. Thank you.